National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, west central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Reading, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Royersford, Sicking Spring, Laureldale, Wortersville, Elverson, New Morgan, and Cedarville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Bruh.